Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to the podcast where we talk about real life, real habits, and real minds. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Sam. And today's topic is something you probably checked 5 minutes ago.
Yep, we're talking about social media.
Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Telegram, Facebook,
Likes, comments, views, saves.
and that tiny voice in your head saying, just one more scroll.
Quick question. Be honest. When was the last time you opened social media without even thinking?
And another one. Have you ever gone online for just 2 minutes and come back 30 minutes later wondering what just happened?
If yes, you're not weak. You're human, and your brain is working exactly how social media wants it to.
But today, we're not here to hate social media.
We're here to understand it and take control back.
And stay till the end because we'll share one simple habit that instantly reduces mindless scrolling.
Let's start with the big question. Why is it so hard to stop scrolling?
Dopamine.
Ah, yes, the famous feel-good chemical.
Every like, notification, comment, or new video gives your brain a tiny dopamine hit.
And the scary part?
You never know when the next reward is coming.
That's called variable reward, the same system used in slot machines.
Swipe, maybe boring. Swipe, funny. Swipe, emotional. Swipe, viral.
Your brain thinks, next one might be amazing.
And boom, 30 minutes gone.
Here's where things get tricky.
Social media shows highlights, not real life.
Perfect bodies, perfect homes, perfect relationships, perfect success.
But behind the screen,
Stress, debt, loneliness, failure.
constant comparison quietly damages self-esteem.
Especially for teenagers, moms, creators, and beginners.
You start thinking, why am I behind? Why am I not enough?
But you're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's edited highlight reel.
Let's talk brain science, simple version.
Heavy social media use can reduce attention span.
Your brain gets used to fast content.
So slow things like reading, studying, or deep conversations feel boring.
It also increases anxiety and overthinking.
Why? Because your brain is constantly alert.
Notifications are mini stress signals.
And late-night scrolling?
Kills sleep quality.
Blue light blocks melatonin.
No sleep equals bad mood, low focus, and emotional eating.
Let's be clear.
Social media is not evil.
It connects people.
It educates.
It creates opportunities.
Jobs, businesses, communities.
The problem isn't social media.
It's unconscious use.
Here's a powerful mindset shift.
Are you using social media as a creator or just a consumer?
Consumers scroll.
Creators contribute.
Even commenting thoughtfully changes your brain from passive to active.
Posting value greater than endless scrolling.
Intentional use equals less addiction.
Let's talk about likes.
Likes do not equal value.
But our brains connect them.
Low likes, self-doubt.
High likes, temporary high.
That's dangerous.
Your worth can't be measured by numbers.
Real confidence comes from skills, values, and real relationships.
Let's get math.
1 hour a day equals 365 hours a year.
That's 15 full days.
Imagine what you could build with that time.
A skill, a business, a healthier body, stronger relationships.
Social media doesn't steal time.
Unclear priorities do.
Let's get practical.
Here are brain-friendly habits.
1. Turn off non-essential notifications.
2. No phone first 30 minutes after waking.
3. No scrolling before bed.
4. Follow people who inspire, not drain.
5. Unfollow guilt-free.
Your feed should feed your mind.
Here's the promised habit.
Before opening social media, ask, "What am I here for?"
Set a 5-minute timer.
When it ends, leave.
This alone cuts scrolling by 40 to 60%.
Used right, social media is powerful.
Learning,
Growth,
connection.
inspiration.
You choose how it shapes your brain,
Social media should serve your life.
not replace it.
You don't need to quit.
You need control.
If this episode helped you, subscribe, like, and share it.
Send it to a friend who says, "I'll just scroll for 5 minutes."
Your attention is powerful.
Spend it wisely.
See you in the next episode.
Then
All right, welcome back. If you're still here, that means one thing.
you're already more mindful than most people scrolling right now.
Social Media Part 1. We talked about how social media hooks the brain.
Now let's talk about something even more important. How social media quietly shapes your mood, focus, and self-worth.
Have you noticed this? You scroll, and suddenly you feel tired, foggy, or irritated.
But you didn't run, you didn't work, you didn't think deeply.
That's because your brain is processing hundreds of tiny decisions.
Swipe or stop. Like or skip. Watch or move on.
That mental overload drains energy.
So if you feel tired after scrolling, you're not lazy. Your brain is overstimulated.
Let's talk about likes for a second.
Likes feel good, but they're a trap.
Low likes can hurt confidence.
High likes create pressure to repeat the same thing.
Either way, your mood becomes controlled by numbers.
And your worth was never meant to be measured digitally.
Real confidence comes from skills, values, and real-life connections.
Most people don't choose to open social media.
Their hands just do it.
That's autopilot mode.
And autopilot steals awareness.
Here's a simple pause trick.
Before opening any app, ask, "Why am I here?"
If you don't have an answer, close it.
Try this reset today.
Phone face down. 2 deep breaths.
Look around the room.
This brings your brain back to the present.
Presence is the opposite of addiction.
Social media isn't bad.
But unconscious use is.
Your attention is powerful.
Spend it on what grows you.
See you in the next episode.